Will investing in the ICICI Pru Lifetime Classic Plan help you create wealth in the long run? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an unit-linked life insurance savings product, and it gives you life insurance coverage along with 25 fund options, and 4 portfolio strategies are available in this policy. And there are also other features available like fund switching, top up and partial withdrawal. So some of the advantages of investing in this policy are it offers you life cover along with market linked returns, and also there is flexibility to choose your premium amount, policy term and fund allocation, and it also allows partial withdrawals after 5 years for emergencies or milestones, and it provides you with loyalty additions and wealth boosters, enhancing long-term value. So these are some of the advantages of investing in this policy. Some of the disadvantages are this policy has a fixed lock-in period of 5 years, and the charges that they charge you in this policy are not transparent, which will also significantly impact the returns this policy can give in a long-term period. And the estimated returns range between 2 to 6%, and none of them are guaranteed. And also you will start receiving your bonuses only after you complete being 5 years invested in this policy. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis, where we are going to calculate the internal rate of return of this policy's returns based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. This will help us make a informed decision, as we can understand what kind of returns we actually get at the end of the day in our hands. For calculation purpose, let us assume that a policyholder who is 30 years old has invested in this policy for 1 lakh per annum as a premium, and as a premium payment term of 15 years, and he has also chosen a policy term of 15 years. So according to these calculations, if you calculate the cash flow, which we have calculated based on 2 gross assumed returns at 4% and 8% per annum, indicating worst and best case scenario. So at best case scenario, as you can see from the tabular column, the IRR comes around 6.46%. But in the worst case scenario, 4%, the IRR comes around 2% only. So 4%, the actual maturity benefit is 18.59 lakhs, while for 8%, the actual maturity benefit is 25.67 lakhs. Both these returns are non-guaranteed. This is just for example purpose we have calculated in these 2 scenarios. As this is a ULIP policy, there are additional pre and post expense charges within this policy itself. That's why you're getting returns in the range of 2 to 6%. So this is not an inflation beating return. So this policy is not giving us the return that justifies the risk we have taken, and also for the long term time horizon we have invested in this policy. So as this is not giving us a desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis. Here we are going to compare another strategy returns with this policy returns. So if investment is your main aim, that's like you're targeting for higher returns, then why not invest in ELSS mutual funds? It also has same kind of risk, but let us see if investing the same 1 lakh premium in ELSS mutual fund for 15 years can give us a better risk adjusted return in that period. As you can see from the tabular column, the future value of your investment will be 41,75,328 rupees. So this is a pre-tax value assumed at 12% CAGR. Whereas if you invest the same amount in this ULIP, your corpus will remain exactly the same. So you may get some non-guaranteed benefits. However, I must admit that despite ELSS mutual funds 1.5 lakh exemption under section 80C, the return is not totally tax free. So here in the small tabular column called ELSS tax calculation, we can see how LTCG tax is going to affect the ELSS mutual fund returns. So in this calculation, as you can see, the post-tax return comes around 38.56 lakhs. So even after deducting the 12.5% LTCG tax, the ELSS returns are still 12.89 lakhs higher than the ICICI policy, and it also gives you an IRR of 11.11%, which is an inflation beating return. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the ICICI Pru Lifetime Classic Plan worth it or not? So though this policy claims to bring a lot of good features of investments, where you have the flexibility to choose your own fund among equity, balanced or debt funds, but if your focus is on flexibility, then why not choose the highest level of flexibility? Therefore, instead of choosing investment funds through this ULIP, why not choose your most preferred fund directly through mutual fund? If you're planning for long-term investment of 5+ years, mutual funds will provide the highest degree of flexibility without any fixed lock-in period. So our advice is to keep your investment and insurance as a separate vehicle. Therefore, you could avoid investing in this ULIP and invest in a standalone mutual fund and term insurance separately.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.